Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, topic here we are going to discuss it is the oxides of phosphorus in detail. So, basically, when we talk about the oxide term, when there is an element and it is going to react with the oxygen, then the product that we gain it is the oxides. Likewise, a lot of examples of the oxides we have when the metals react with oxygen, then their product is known as the metallic oxides. Likewise, if we have non-metals and they are going to react with the oxygen, then the resulting product is called as the non-metallic oxide. So it depends upon the type of the substance that is going to react with the oxygen. If metals react, then they produce metallic oxide, and if non-metals react, then they produce the non-metallic oxide. So likewise here we have the phosphorus. The phosphorus it is a non-metal and it also reacts with the oxygen and produces its oxides, and these oxides are basically non-metallic in nature, and phosphorus produces two types of the oxides. The number one oxide is phosphorus trioxide, which can be written as P2O3 because three oxygen atoms are present, and it can be also its double form like P4O6. And here we have its second form or the second oxide of the phosphorus, which is phosphorus pentaoxide, can be written as P2O5, or as by doubling this, we can gain P4O10. And the name of both these oxides as phosphorus trioxide and pentaoxide we can use. Now, we can be able to use or how we can be able to prepare these oxides? Let's have a look on its preparation method. So here we have its preparation method of the oxides of the phosphorus. The first one method for the preparation of the phosphorus trioxide. This is for the specifically trioxide preparation. It can be prepared by burning white phosphorus. So here the phosphorus that we will take, it will be white in color, or it will be the white allotropic form of the phosphorus. When it too reacts with the oxygen or it started to burn in the limited supply of air, then it produces the phosphorus trioxide, which can also be written as P4O6. So this is the method for the preparation of first oxide of the phosphorus. After this, we have here the number one method for the preparation of the phosphorus pentaoxide P2O5. It is just prepared by burning the phosphorus in excess of the dry air. We have dry air. Here we have to use the excess of air while reacting it with phosphorus. We also take here the phosphorus white allotropic form in the solid state, and after the reaction it produces P2O5, and that P2O5 can also be written as P4O10. This is called as phosphorus pentaoxide, and it can easily be prepared by the use of this process. Now, after the preparation of these oxides of the phosphorus, we will learn about its some physical properties, that what are the main physical properties of these oxides of the phosphorus. Here, this is the properties of the first one, phosphorus, which is the phosphorus trichloride, and these are the properties of the phosphorus pentachloride. Now, the formula for the phosphorus trichloride we have PCl3, and for the pentachloride we have PCl5. So let's start the topic. The phosphorus trichloride, it is a white waxy solid, and its smell is as garlic-like odor, and the melting point of this is 22.8 degrees Celsius. This is its melting point, and the boiling point of the white waxy solid, which is the phosphorus trichloride, is 173, which is above the boiling point of the water. and it is highly poisonous in nature. It means no one can be able to take it. If someone just take, it may be hazardous or it may be fatal for that person. After this, we have the physical properties of the phosphorus pentachloride, in which this phosphorus pentachloride as PCl5, it is a white hygroscopic powder. It is present in the form of the powder and can mixed up with the water. It has a faint garlic-like odor. Its or like odor is also the garlic-like, but it has the faint smell due to the presence of traces of phosphorus trioxide in it. When the trioxide is present in it, so that's why it has some odor of garlic, and it can be sublimed at 360 degrees Celsius temperature. Sublimation, it is a process in which we have one solid and it can be easily converted into the gas phase without passing through the liquid state. That process called as sublimation, and the temperature at which it sublimes, it is 360. It means when we have that hygroscopic PCl5 and the temperature is almost 360 degrees Celsius, then it is converted into from solid state to the gas phase. This is called as the sublimation of the phosphorus pentachloride. Now, these are the some physical properties of the oxides of the phosphorus that we have learned, and it was a very simple topic, and they are basically to somehow soluble in water. And in the next section, we will learn about the next properties. I hope you guys understand about the topic, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss, it is the chemical properties of the oxides of the phosphorus, that how do it chemically react with the other substances, whether it is having the reaction with the metals, non-metals, alkalis, or the other substances. We will have it that in detail. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.